Night I dreamed of icy cliffs, standing on the precipice. I leaned to see just where the edge would take me. The wind came up, I closed my eyes. I heard a shout to my surprise. A hand reached out, pulled me back to safety. What's a hand, what's a dream? Who can say what it means when everything that you
snow is sparkling here. Fresh fall of snow yesterday.
won't look back, spirits cry. Just be glad to be alive. Everything that you love is right here.
That's where we came from, that ridge there. That's coming down from Incline Peak.
Well, it looks like it's going to be very icy here, so Peter and I put on our crampons, and I'm going to have an ice axe arrest if necessary. I don't think it's necessary, but I made this, and it's time to try it out for the first time. And this goes inside the grip, and there's a C-clamp that tightens it. And it's rocks.
The next objective over there.
The rim trail actually stays high and basically climbs all the peaks that you see that ring Lake Tahoe.
That's big, yeah. We're just below the Tahoe Rim Trail here, and we're going to traverse across to where we were a few days ago on the big cornice. A little easier approach this time. John moving along pretty smartly here. Here comes Jasper, and there's Mary, and up comes Brutus. Come on, Brutus.
Who wants the cheese? Brutus?